Okay, hola chicas. So we're just going to have a look at página 79, page 79, and I want you to have a look at this bottom comprehension here, okay? I asked you to have a look at this top one here, La sorpresa de una familia en Alcalá de Henares, so the surprise of a family of Alcalá de Henares upon returning to their chalet in Torrevieja, so returning to like their chalet or their holiday home in Torrevieja. So I'm going to correct this one on Monday, and I'm going to ask you to do this one today, and we'll have a look at it on Monday as well, all right? So here you've got Lee la guía, so read the guide y contesta las preguntas en inglés and answer the questions in English, okay? So the first one here is good. Guía orientativa de actividades que el niño es capaz de realizar por edades. So here's just a guide to set out activities that the kid, like child, is capable of carrying out according to their edades, according to their ages. Okay. First thing I want to do is when you try and translate some of all these points. Okay. I'm just going to pick out a little bit of detail, a little bit of things for you first. Okay. So first one is juguetes. Juguetes is the verb jugar, so that is toys. Okay. So that is your toys. Okay. Cajas then is boxes. Okay. So estantería, so you can say to keep their toys in boxes or on the shelves. Okay, estanterías is shelves. Okay. Limpiar su mesita, clean your bedside locker. Muebles is furniture. Tira las cosas a la basura. Okay, throw things in the rubbish. Ayudar y recoger a la lavavajillas. So lavavajillas is your dishwasher. Y estirar el edredón. El edredón is your duvet. Okay, edredón. Okay, de su camita from a little bit. So edredón, duvet. Okay. 4 a 5. Cuarto here can be the room. Cuarto can be like, your cuarto is another. So there's 3 ways you can say bedroom. You can say dormitorio, mi habitación, or mi cuarto. Okay, so that's your 3 ways. So tidy the room, recoger el lavavajillas, so you're collecting everything for the dishwasher. Doblar la ropa, so folding your clothes, or poner la mesa, setting the table. Okay. 7 a 6 años. Just want to learn sencillos here. Sencillos means simple. Sencillo has 2 meanings in Spanish. It can be either kind or it can mean simple, okay? 8 9 is an easy. I'm just going to alfombra here is like the rug or the mat. And then bombillas is your light bulbs. Okay, light bulbs, right? De lámparas bajitas from like lamps that are low, okay? So cambiar is to change. Limpiar el baño. Profundidad now means depth or deep, okay? So deep, yeah. Comenzar a planchar would start written, okay? And then apart from 12 years on, a partir de from 12 years on. Paredes here is walls. Okay, realizar, we now know doesn't mean realize, it means to carry out. Okay, and then reparación sencillas means simple or easy. Okay, so what I want you just to go through that now and translate those couple points, okay, and then do the questions 1 a 5. Do the questions 1 to 5, okay. I know I asked you as well to have a look at this top comprehension, so we're going to have a look at this as well on lunes, okay. We'll have a look at these top 2 on Monday. We'll start the class off on that, and we'll just run through it then, okay. And then I asked you to have a look as well at this comprehension here, efectos secundarios de unos padres sobre protectores. So we'll have a look at that maybe el martes, okay. Muchas gracias, chicas, y nos vemos el lunes.